Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, change of plans this week, guys. I had a totally different cook plan for you because I got a brand new toy and I can't wait to show it to you. But tell you what, the wind is really going outside and I just can't do that cook tonight. So change it up. I'm still going to cook outside, but I'm going to be cooking some pork tenderloins on the gas grill. I think I've only done that a few times since I've had this channel. So it's actually these little pork tenderloins. It's my favorite way to cook them. And we are going to have a little bit of cherry wood smoke on them too. So guys, let's get going. Okay guys, pick these up today. They don't look too bad. They got some fat that I am going to trim up some because I like these pretty lean. They are pretty lean anyway, but this fat, some of this excess skin I'm going to get off of here. I won't bore you with all of that, but I'm going to get a lot of this off. It's gonna be get us, I do believe. Okay, I don't always use a binder, but tonight I'm just kind of wanting some Lynn parents on there. A little Worcestershire sauce, however you say it. Coat the whole thing. I can't wait to eat this. I love these little pork loins, the way we're gonna cook them. If you haven't tried it, I suggest you give her a shot. And just some of this McCormick's Montreal steak, guys. This is so good. Oh, and we get it fairly heavy on here. Yep. New bottle. Alright guys. This new bottle gave me some fish getting it out of here. Alright. As I got a little bit loose from the top, it did a little bit better. Alright guys, I'm going to go out and fire up the grill and bring her up to temp, and I'll see you out there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to go. We're holding right at 400 degrees here. You can see I've got some cherry wood in here in my little smoker box. I got the lid off because it just smokes better that way. I'm going to get some sear on these guys to start with. Ain't going to take very long either. Directly over the heat. And I'm going to sear all sides of this, okay? We are a couple minutes into this. I'm just going to give these guys a turn completely over. That one's going to be fine. I might just be able to, now this one I'll probably have to turn on one of its sides. Come back in a couple minutes, we'll finish this thing off and get her up off the direct heat. Alright guys. Alright, I snuck in and did a third turn on this one while you weren't looking, and I'm just going to take these guys and I'm just going to move them up top off the direct heat, and we're just going to let these things cook a while. I'm actually going to turn the fire down, at least on these 3 burners. I don't have these fire burners on at all, but I'm going to dial these back some. I'll leave this one over here where my smoke's generating. We're going to generate some smoke on these guys. This is cherry wood, guys. And I like doing it this way because it doesn't over smoke the tenderloins, even though it looks like I got quite a bit of smoke going. I'm going till I reach 140 degrees on here, then I'm going to pull them and let them rest. Not been on too long. We've been on, well, roughly 15 minutes, 20 minutes, if that. I'm going to give these guys a turn. Just for kicks and grins, I'm going to give these, check the temps. We're close. I mean, on that one back there, I might have to move it off. Let's see what's going on. Got a little ways on this one, I do believe. No, we ain't that far off, folks. Alright, we're going to let it go. About 130. I'm looking for 140, 145, and I'll pull them. Alright, let her cook. See the smoke still rolling. Getting that pinkish color. I'm getting a little smoke on them. I like this method because I don't over smoke them. You can. These tenderloins are pretty lean, and you don't want to over smoke them. All right, let me check these guys. I think we're there. I think we're there. 141, 145. Yeah, we're a little bit over. Time to pull these. We'll very much pull these. Yeah, I'm way over back here on this back one. Let's get these guys off of here. Let's go here. Beautimus, beautimus, beautimus. Let's go inside and let these guys rest a bit. Pull this guy out of the way for a minute. Let's slice into this guy. It's hot. Looks perfect. I can smell the cherry wood. It's not real heavy, but I can smell it. That is so tender. Did you look at that? Juicy, still juicy. That's the key, getting it to that 140 degrees. Let's get a taste of this, guys. All right, guys. That just pulls apart real easy. Get a taste for you guys. That is so good. I actually did this cook about a week and a half ago, and I've done this several times. And it's so good, and this is officially my favorite way to cook this. And yes, it's on a gas grill. Notice how I had the smoke tray in there, a little cherry wood. Cherry wood is perfect on pork, in my opinion. But it's so, God, I can taste that. Yeah, I can definitely taste the cherry smoke, and it's not overdone either. Another bite. That McCormick's Montreal steak, also perfect. You can do it with or without the Worcestershire sauce, or however you say that. But yeah, very good, guys. One more little bite. Guys, thank you so much. I think my little buddy wants in the shot with me here. So I'll bring him in and we'll do our final goodbyes. Oh, you in there? All right, guys. This is my youngest grandson, Ethan, and he always, you sometimes hear him in my final shots when I do my final bye-bye. So, yeah, say hi, buddy. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
All right, guys. Thanks so much. This was such a good cook. Glad you joined me. We'll get back on that special treat on my new toy coming real soon. I promise. But thanks so much. Hey, guys, hit that like button. That helps us out a lot. Subscribe to us if you have not already. God, we will see you next week. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.